Welcome everyone to HFN. Today is July 23rd, 2020. Here to give you all this update in Bitcoin. It's been about 2 to 3 days since we did our last video in Bitcoin, and you can visually already tell that the market went against our forecast from the last 2 days, which was on, 3 days, which was on July 20th, 2020. Now, before I get started in this updated price move for Bitcoin, I always want to remind you, if you guys appreciate our content and our videos on how straightforward we are into determining how the market's going to trade, definitely hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Then we want to invite you all over to our website at HueFinancial.com. The link is in the description of this video. We're going to create a community of mind thinkers, of anticipation and forecasting the next movement in the cryptocurrency space. So we definitely want you all to come on over and sign up there. Okay, so let's talk about Bitcoin and the recent price move that has occurred over the last 3 days. Now, generally, we told you all that the market in Bitcoin was giving us some weakness, and we wanted to play it to the downside because before we changed our forecast in Bitcoin, we were looking for the market to move actually higher, but it was just taking so long. The market really was giving us no volatility. The spread on these daily price bars was minimal and very small. So we opted to play the weakness on that, and it did not go accordingly. It happens. So let's go ahead and get rid of this forecast right here. It did go against us. And if we were to get out right now, it will be down about 3 3/4% in the market. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rid of that, and let's talk going forward, considering that we now understand what the market is feeling. The market is feeling stronger than it is weaker. That's plain and simple, based off what occurred the last 3 days. We know that now. So this downline that I got on this chart, we're going to get rid of it because the market is not following it. It's doing the opposite. So let's get rid of this line too. Now, zooming out just a little bit, the market in Bitcoin is still in a trading channel. The breakout is not determined yet. So while many altcoins are seeing substantial movement higher in price, i.e. like Cardano, Kyber Network, Ethereum, Atom, Tezos, Chainlink, all of these other cryptocurrencies in the market is definitely in a bullish fashion right now. It's trading in a way that will exhibit strength in the market. But Bitcoin, on the other hand, is not participating. Is it because many people are holding on to their Bitcoins and not necessarily trading it back into the market? It could be. Or we have some major players coming into the market for Bitcoin that is not allowing the volatility to really take place. They are making a very efficient market to where the liquidity is there to where it can support the lack of volatility in Bitcoin. So what are we expecting? We're still expecting the market in Bitcoin to really trade in this channel in the long term. I want to show you on a weekly basis real quick as to what's really going on into the market. Now, my long-term analysis and forecast for Bitcoin is definitely changing due to the market action over the last 3 weeks, which includes this current week. We still got 3 days, but if we were to take a snapshot right now, and today would have been the last day of the week for Bitcoin, the forecast in the long term will be for the market move to continue to go higher, period. I'm saying that because the market in Bitcoin over the last 7 to 8 weeks has endured a lot of weakness. It has. And the market is not following the presumption that weakness should push down the value of this coin. But the market is not doing it. So we're still seeing indications of market strength coming in through for Bitcoin, period. $9,000 in the market for Bitcoin is support in the long term. And the longer that Bitcoin trades above $9,000, the greater the strength is being maintained. And the weakness is being absolved and is being evaporated out of the market. So, all that being said, let's go ahead and create an updated forecast into the market in Bitcoin. Now, I told you, just to preface what I stated earlier, I'm not expecting a massive movement in Bitcoin, because if anything, it should have already occurred in conjunction with the rest of the altcoins that have seen massive movement higher in price. So we're still going to hold the market in Bitcoin in a trading channel, but in that we're going to see some expectations and forecasts of this currency trying to move higher in price. Okay, now $9,600 is restriction. It is. So we need to continue to play that out into the market, because that will be the only thing that will invalidate this forecast into the market for Bitcoin is $9,600. Now, this is just the area of the trading channel. We're playing the strength in the forecast of this trading channel. We would like to see the market in Bitcoin hold $9,000 in that trading area. If we don't, then you understand that the weakness is still dominating this coin, but right now it is not being exhibited on this price chart. So we're going to play the forecast into the market for Bitcoin. $9,600 will be our first area TP. That is definitely an area that can hold back progress in Bitcoin. We break that to the upside, next area is going to be around $10,000. Okay, once again. So that's it. I'm not here to confuse you. I'm here to give you the simplistic way of understanding where the market is likely to go. So make sure you guys continue to hit the like button, continue to share the videos, continue to subscribe to this channel, and then continue to come and join us on our community on our website at HueFinancial.com. Make sure you maintain a profitability. I'll see you all on the next one.